Hello, welcome to Knowledge Time, Python Session 1. Introduction to Python. Coding. What is coding? Computer programmers or coders are people who write step by step instructions that can make a computer perform a task. Coders can get computers to do additions, make music, move a robot across a room, or fly a rocket to Mars. What is Python? Computers need step by step instructions to perform different tasks. A set of instructions or code can be written in different programming languages. Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It was first released in the 1990s and is now used to build millions of apps, games, and websites. Python. Python isn't named after the type of snake. It's actually named after a British comedy group called Monty Python's Flying Circus. The creator of Python, Guido van Rossum, was a big fan of the group and their quirky humor. Python programmers often use the group's jokes and famous quotes in their code as a tribute. Why Python? It's easy to understand and it's portable. Diverse applications available and packed with the tools and lots of help. Installing Python for Windows users. Google for the Python website and then download the latest version of Python, which will be compatible for 8, 86, 64 executable installer, and then run the installers and then open the IDE. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Thank you.